Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel HSC Question and Answers. So today we are going to discuss about safe system of work. Actually, when I am going to prepare any video, there is many obstruction coming. The people are coming to ask something. So if some disturbance, don't bother. It is our part of our job. So we have to manage site, office, workers, and everybody who is involved at project. So today we are going to discuss safe system of work. So we have to know what is safe system of work. This is very easy word, safe system of work. Means we are going to any work which will be safe for all, which will not making harm to anybody, which will not making problem to anyone. That is safe system of work. So we can say it is a one type of procedure which is eliminate risk. Okay, it is minimize the risk. Try to eliminate, but we cannot eliminate any type of risk. We can eliminate the hazards. So there will be consequence of risk. It will be low. So we have to know how to remove the hazard, how to eliminate the hazard, how to minimize the risk. This is our first responsibility to do this type of things. This is priority to eliminate hazards, minimize the risk. It means we are going to lowering the risk level for all workers. You can say the safe system of work is a part of a risk assessment also. If you will risk assessment, so we can get many information, we can provide some control measures, so we definitely we are going to decrease the risk level. So we have to know what is the part of safe system of work. There is some categories. So we have to know. Just today we are going to discuss this one is only toolbox talk. So I am conducting in English. So you have to know, because the HSC role and responsibility, it is most important for everyone in every field, and we have to know how to communicate in English. If we don't know how to communicate, everywhere we will be fail. So we have to know the part of safe system of work. SSW we are telling, safe system of work. So there is first permit to work system. The permit to work system. It is a legal document. If it is not available, we cannot do our work at a safe way. There is many hazard and controls we are going to tick, and we are getting information from issuing authority. There is one short word. It is instruction. It is safe system of work is instruction, training, information, and supervision. These type of things coming to our safe system of work. So if you are going to maintenance of equipment, so recovery measures, emergency response plan, it is the part of it is in instruction, training, information, and supervision. After that, we are going to discuss about MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet. It says 16 elements, so we can discuss another time full 16 elements. It will take more time. So Material Safety Data Sheet, it is required for all chemical we are going to handle at site. If you are going to handling any type of chemical, we required MSDS. So control, that is one point also. Control means it is the last defense system, that is called PPE, personal protective equipment. So TBT, toolbox talk, I am just conducting a toolbox talk. This is also part of safe system of work. So we have to know how to conduct a toolbox talk, who is involved in toolbox talk, and we have to give some chance to others to talk like workers or anyone. So we can discuss if anybody observe any kind of unsafe act or condition, so we can share there. That is the two-way communication. ARA, we are telling activity risk assessment. Which type of work we are going to do? We have to do the risk assessment before execute any kind of task. SOP, a standard operating procedure. We have to know the standard operating procedure, how is dealing. We have procedure in every company. So what is their standard? We have to follow that standard. MS, method statement. So this is the way how to execute our work. There is a method statement, which method we are going to apply, which standard we are going to apply, how many people, which equipment, and the permit to the work system, everything available in method statement one by one. So we have to know the regarding method statement. So it is 9 points from SSW, safe system of work. First PTW, second it is, third MSDS, fourth control, fifth PPE, sixth TBT, and seventh ARA, and eighth SOP, and ninth is MS. So my friend, hope you understand. If you want any type of video, no problem, you can communicate in comment section. And many friends, they already requested me something, so I don't want to make any video which is not evidence with me. So I will do my best, and it will helpful for everyone. Thank you very much. Kindly share with your friend, to subscribe and like, so it can be motivate for me, and hope we will do a best for everyone. Thank you very much, friends.